Hello everyone, today's video will be a step-by-step guide on how to remove or replace a Mercedes W212 saloon headlining. As you can see in the video, the current one is pretty broken. This was caused by it being cleaned in a workshop, so I advise you to never clean the headlining as you'll fall into the same situation where you will need to replace it. The replacement will be a second hand but still in great condition. So let's get started. First things first, so this is the replacement unit. As you can see, I've chosen a black one. Next to it are all parts like the column airbag covers, the ceiling lamp, the interior mirror and sun visors, and all the other little plastic replacements. Obviously all of those will be in black. And you'll find it funny, but the only tools that you'll need for this job are here. So basically some plastic bones, a Torx key set, and a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. So I've started with first removing the column airbag cover. This is an easy job. You just remove that little cap there with a plastic bone. Following that, you will only need a T25 Torx key to remove the screw that holds the cover in place. Once that is done, you are good to go to remove the cover. Next step is removal of the sun visor. You need to first remove the plastic cover on the left hand side. You will only use a plastic bone for this. Then this is held in place by 4 plastic clips, two on both sides. You just push them and then just pull the sun visor downwards. So next comes the ceiling lamp unit. To remove that, you first insert a wide plastic bone between the unit and the headlining. Then you remove the cover between the headlamp and the mirror. Again, you might need to use a plastic bone to apply some force, because that is being held in place by 2 plastic caps. Then you just remove all cable connectors connecting to the ceiling lamp. Once you pulled all cables out, all connectors and the plastic cap aside, then to remove the unit, you will have to push it a bit upwards, and then it will come right off, just like here. I forgot to remove the sun visor holder on the right hand side, so I will just remove it here. As you can see, this is held in place by some plastic clips as well. So you will just use a plastic bone for it and it will come right off. And then next comes the mirror. The mirror is held in place by 2 screws only. What you will want to do is just unscrew those screws and it will come right off. For the sun riser on the right hand side, it's again pretty much the same operation, but this is filmed from a different angle, so I decided to show you guys again how to do it. So you just use again a plastic bone, just push those plastic clips and the holder should come right off. Okay, next one is the removal of the roof handles. This is an easy job as those are kept in place by 2 plastic clips. You just remove those and then just pull the handle and it will come right off, just like that. And the next one is the removal of the rear seat belts. You will need to remove the side that is under the seat in the back. For that you will need a T30 or T35 Torx key. You may have asked yourself why you need to unscrew the seat belt. Well, this is why, because the seat belt comes through the rear airbag cover. So we will need to remove that. To do that, again, you just remove the cap there and push it downwards, and then it comes right off. And then obviously you will need to pull the seatbelt out through it, just as you can see in the video. Simple as that. I apologize, but I've forgotten to film how to remove the cover here on the back, but it's very easy. You just pull it downwards and it comes right off. And then as you can see in the video now, I'm removing the headlining clips from the back. That's very easy. You remove those and that's your final step. Obviously, after you have removed the ceiling lamp and the roof handles, you are good to go and remove the headlining itself. So you go step by step. You start from on the front and through the back, and it will come right off. Okay, so now with everything removed, the roof handles, the mirror, um, the ceiling lamp and the headlining removed, we are good to install the new headlining and all the new parts. So let's get started and do everything in the opposite side. So install everything back together. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please subscribe and make sure you have the ring button turned on so you get notified of my next video, which will be around how I install the front and reverse camera on this same car.